Meaning of diverse.
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 Diverse. Diverse refers to a range of different and varied elements. It can be used to describe a group of people, objects, or ideas that are not similar or identical. Emphasizing diversity is important in creating an inclusive society that values differences and promotes equality. By recognizing and accepting diversity, we can gain new perspectives, learn from each other, and create a more tolerant world. Ultimately, embracing diversity can enrich our lives and help us build stronger communities that celebrate individuality and uniqueness.